Florence Azria. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I want to make for you a recipe that is very dear to my heart. It comes from Corsica, and it's an island where my mother was born. So was Napoleon. But at the time of Napoleon's birth, he was still Italian, and the moment he came out, he became French. But Corsican are a very special breed. So we're gonna cook what we call a fiadon. A fiadon is the Corsican word for the cheesecake. So I'm using lemon zest, I'm using eggs, separate a yolk and white. I'm gonna use a ricotta cheese. Originally, we use a cheese that is called a brucio, which is a Corsican cheese. But of course, I don't find it always in LA. So ricotta is a pale cuisine, but nevertheless a cuisine. So with that peeler, I'm gonna remove the zest of a bunch of lemon. I mean, you know, I like it very lemony, so therefore I use a little more. But, you know, usually 2 will do. You know, try to find lemon that have thicker skin, so you get more zest. But actually the garden lemon are extraordinary when you can get some. And then I'm gonna start to separate egg white and yolk. So I'm using 6 eggs. So white and yolk. Because I'm gonna beat my eggs white. When I will stay at my grandmother, she lived above a bakery store, the pastry shop, and they will make it. So every day at noon, exactly, you know, they will make it and we will run to get it fresh. It was really yummy. So I'm gonna beat my yolks, my 6 yolks, with 100 grams of white sugar. So this is a ribbon texture, which means that, you know, the yolk and the sugar have blended together and became light and fluffy. So it's a very good texture, you know. Now we're gonna add to it the lemon zest and the ricotta cheese. Something to know, ricotta is a very moody cheese, you know. So you have to manipulate it with a lot of gentleness. So I'm gonna break, you know, my ricotta. See, always clockwise, because you want to be very gentle with it. Otherwise, it will bite you in the butt. Okay, so. Okay, so now, you know, my eggs white are very firm, like a surfer butt. We're gonna break the white with that mixture. So again, we have 2 temper that don't, you know, they won't dominate. We have 2 alpha here, the ricotta and the egg white. See how my egg is still, like, you know, forming a little clumps. But I don't necessarily want to break them all. Now I am going to grease my pan. Bit butter, not too much. Here we go. So it's a bit like a souffle, you know, but it's a bizarre thing. It's not a souffle, but it's not also a custard. So it's what? It's a Corsican, which is none of the above. So now, this fabulous baby is going in the oven, 250 convection, for 25 minutes maybe. A brownish golden crust gonna form. And it's gonna crack a certain part, and the cake's gonna rise, so it's gonna be very, very yummy. Let's make it happen. So here we are, perfect and crusty like we want. Voila. So let's try it. So see, it's a little soft, but it's all good. I mean, I like to serve it with berries on the side. And a bit of powdered sugar. Who wants to try the delicious Corsican cheesecake? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Delightful Mrs. Azria, and please join me every Thursday at 6 p.m. We're dropping a new bomb. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.